Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. And please share out the video so others can watch it as well and come join my channel. And if you want me to do a video for you, or you know something you really like and you want me to try it, leave it in the comment section. Alright, so now my peeps, over here I have some red peas. I washed it already, and I have some few pieces of beef, chicken feet, Jamaican people say chicken foot, okay, and few pieces of chicken leg and thigh, and we're gonna make some red pea soup, Jamaican red pea soup. All right, over here guys, I have some water. I'm gonna add some garlic. I'm gonna pour my peas in. It's about a cup and a half. When it starts to boil, I'm gonna sink the peas. All right, I'm gonna add some green onions for now, just a little bit, and I'm gonna put a little bit of thyme, and I'm gonna put few pimento grains. All right guys, I'm gonna let this come to a boil, and I'm gonna sink the peas, and I'm gonna pressure it a little bit. All right, and then when I sink the peas, then I'm gonna add the beef and the chicken feet, and then when I'm gonna cook up everything, I add the chicken. All right, because the feet and the beef are longer to pressure. There you have it guys. Now I have some cold water here. I'm gonna sink it. There. Now I'm gonna add the beef and the chicken feet. All right, I'm not gonna add any salt to it. I'll put salt and season after. So here I'm gonna put these when like I'm putting the food and everything. All right, so now I'm gonna pressure this for 30 minutes. You can go up to 35, it's up to you. All right, and then I'm gonna come back. All right guys, this is how it's looking. You want to check the peas. All right, make sure the peas mash out. You want to check more than one of them, because sometimes some one drop off over this one. Perfect. And they cook. I want to cook a little bit more guys, because I want the peas, some of them to mash out. All right, so after 30 minutes we still want them mash out some more. I'm gonna pressure it for 10 more minutes guys, and then I'm gonna pour it out in the big pot, and it should be good. Want to mash out a little bit more. All right guys, so this is it. I changed the pot, and I thought I was making the video still. I add the chicken, and I add some carrots and potatoes, and I'm just gonna let this boil. And over here guys, I have some sweet potato and yam. I'm gonna peel them, and I also peel my breadfruit already. All right guys, I put some flour, cornmeal, and salt, maybe about a cup and a half of flour to half cup of cornmeal. You can put 3/4, it's up to you. And I'm gonna add some warm water. All right, you're gonna mix this up until it forms. Everybody know dumpling make already. All right guys, I'm using one hand, so basically that's how you make dumpling. Continue to tip the water. So basically you're just gonna continue to knead it. All right, something like so. All right, I'm gonna set this one side, come back and make it after. All right guys, let's peel this bad boy first. I hope it's good. Woohoo! Guys, in Canada the yam them so expensive, so when they're not good, oh my goodness, seems like you can't go on. Guys, it always turn red, so I'm gonna just put it in the pot at the same time. All right. You want to make sure you wash them really well. You can cut them up smaller in bite size, right? All right, guys. We're gonna put the yams in. Give it a little stir. In red pea soup, my mom always puts sweet potato. Give it that nice taste. So the beef, the sweet potato, and the chicken foot, whatever you want to put in it. Oh my guys, I don't know what kind of potato is this, but why is the yellow, why is the purple on the inside? Oh my god. I don't know guys, maybe it's growing. Anyhow. Alright guys, you want to rinse them off just the same. Let's put these few pieces of potato, although they might change color. Alright, I'm gonna let this boil for about 20 minutes, then I'm gonna add the breadfruit and after the dumplings. Now guys, we're gonna put the breadfruit. Gonna make the dumplings. You can make roll up, you can make them round. I'm gonna make some small ones. Just like that, all right? And you can go ahead and make some roll up if you want, like this. All right, just give the pot a little stir. I'm gonna leave this for about half an hour and come back and season the pot. All right guys, this is it, time to season up the pot. Okay, give it a little stir, make sure say you know sticking at the bottom. All right, I have some blended seasoning, almost finished. Ooh, I'm gonna put like a teaspoon. Almost finished guys. Wow. I'm gonna put one of this beef flavor. I'm gonna put a little bit more thyme. I have the dry thyme, and I cut my onions and freeze it. I'm gonna put some green onions there again, and then we're gonna go in with 2 spicy cocktail. I like to stir after so it doesn't lump up or clump up. Smells good already. The noodles in it also help to thick up the soup. Meat cook. Pimento there guys. Give it a little stir from the bottom. Everything's good down there, non-stick. Now we are gonna make this simmer. Can't forget the scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, let this simmer for another say 20 to half an hour. Just let it relax and simmer down. And then I'll come back and show you the final result. Okay, all right guys, I totally forget how can you make red pea soup and put no coconut milk in there. All right, but anyhow I'm going to put a little bit still. I'm using this one, alright? And I'm not gonna put much. I'm gonna put like quarter pack of it. Or maybe a few tablespoons. I'm not gonna overdo it. I totally forget it, guys. You don't have to put it though, but I'm gonna put it. That amount. I'm not gonna overdo it. So less than about 2 tablespoons, alright guys? And then I'm gonna let it simmer. Alright guys, I think the soup is ready. My husband said I want more to turn off before it dry out. Hey, alright guys, so this is it. This is my Jamaican version of the red pea soup. Yeah, with some chicken feet, beef, chicken. What else we put in there? Potato, yam, breadfruit, dumpling, and a little bit of coconut milk and 2 cup soup and some seasoning. Alright guys, so this is it. I'm gonna dish out some. Alright, you ready? We're gonna share out some. 2 dumplings. Some breadfruit. Some chicken feet. And you want to go down in at the bottom. Guys, I didn't bother put no corn in this one, but you can put corn in it if you want. And there it is, guys. Yes. Nothing more to it, guys. We're just gonna serve it up as is. And this is it. This is my original Jamaican red pea soup. Woo. With some beef, chicken feet, chicken. Cooked down in some coconut milk, lots of spices, lots of seasoning, some cornmeal lumping, breadfruit. Yeah, guys. Love upon me and I love upon you. We're gonna dive in it. Alright, you have a good day. Bye guys. Alright guys, we're gonna taste a little bit. My husband say, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My husband said, turn it off, you know, before you dry it out. Oh mama mia. So good. Alright guys, you have a good day. It's hot, so I have to cool it down a little bit. Bye guys.